It's 7:04. I have got a extremely frustrating Siri situation. I want to run this by you, see what you think. Hey Siri, play. So it's playing through the two HomePods. Ignore my washing. Two HomePods here. Now I'm playing my own music. That's material, so I don't get dinged for copyright. It's playing the tunes. It's playing it from my local library here. This is my local iTunes library. I'll just put that down. It's playing here and it's playing out to bedroom. See bedroom there? It's playing it there, right? So that's what we're dealing with. Now, what I want to showcase, I like to use this when I'm going to go to bed. So what I would do is, I would get my computer, leave it on, I would do this. Moving the mouse to the left of my screen is my setup to enable my screen to go off. That's just the hot corners thing. So I want to demonstrate something to you, which is super frustrating. I'm gonna have to turn the lights off though. So turn this light off, turn this light off. Now I'm gonna hop into bed here and pretend, this is me pretending I'm going to sleep, and this is what I want to show to you. Now, of course, to run this test, I'll have to turn off that light as well. So if I turn this light off, pretend I'm in bed, going to sleep, listening to music, my local iTunes library played through into the HomePod, and this is the problem here. Watch this. Turn this down. Oh. So it's all dark, you can't see anything, but you can still hear the music. You can still kind of hear it. Okay, now watch this. Hey Siri, next track. And you see what happened? It lights up the iMac. Unbelievable. You want to see it again? Okay, we'll do it again. Just so that you see it happening. Here we are, we're playing the tracks. I'm going to put this down a little bit so it's there. I'm going to go to the top left of the screen so that the screen goes off. I'm going to also crank up the ISO here this time to something ridiculous. So it's still playing the music. I want to relax in bed like this. This is how I like to do it. I like to be in bed, you know, going to sleep like this, listening to music and, hey Siri, who's this? And it picks up.
Listening to Christmas 2000 by that song.
He picks up the music, no worries. I'll turn the light off like I'm going to go to sleep. Before I do, I'll turn the camera around. So you're going to see over there light up. And that's the music. Okay, so I'll turn this light off. And now I'm in bed. Hey Siri, next track. That is super frustrating. Hey Siri, pause. Okay. Now you could say to me, well, why don't you lower the brightness on your screen? Like lower the brightness so that when it comes back on, it's not full-blown bright. And that's fine, I could do that. But it still lights up the freaking room when I'm laying in bed and I've listened to like 30 minutes of music, I'm on the verge of sleep, and a song comes on I don't want to hear. Hey Siri, next, and then the whole room lights up with light. Like, what the hell, Apple? That is chronically bad.
Please try again.
Hey, shut up, Siri. That is really bad, Apple. That's a chronic failure on your product. A massive failure. And if someone please fix this. Please. That is stupid. That is a stupid flaw. Apple, get your hand off it.